Good day everyone. I am your reporter for today, Christina, and the topic is all about Module 6 vegetable. Endiva or endive. It makes a delicious appetizer and a healthy alternative to chips or crackers. In salads, endive adds crunch and zest. It can be cooked tender, crisps like spinach, or used as a wrapping for meat or fish. Ang endive ay meron siyang delicious and appetizer and healthy alternatives. Ang endive ay kalimitan siya siniserve as an appetizer sa mga restaurants sa mga restaurants. Siya yung mga unang-unang hinihain sa isang customer para magkaroon siya ng gana, and then appetizer talaga yung unang-unang siniserve every kumakain tayo sa mga restaurants. And endive flavor softens into mellow, nutty, and sweetness. Meron siyang health benefits in high in potassium, fiber, and folate. Kabute or mushrooms. It have long been staple of cuisine whenever individual varieties of this fungus grow, and source of iron, copper, riboflavin, niacin, and contain dietary fiber. Ang kabute naman ay staple of cuisines, and meron siyang good source of iron and copper and riboflavin and niacin, and meron din siyang health benefits. Ang mushrooms are classified as vegetables. Technically, they are not plants but part of fungi. Mushrooms provide the B vitamins, riboflavin, and niacin. And mushrooms are also good source of selenium and potassium. Chinese broccoli, Chinese kale. Its texture when raw or cooked is the same as regular broccoli, making it ideal to use raw in salad, steam cook, as a side dish, as an ingredient in a vegetable stir fry, a meat stir fry, or added to other cooked dishes. The leaves, stalks, and flowers can be eaten raw or used in a wide variety of salads, side dishes, and main dishes. Ang Chinese broccoli siya ideal to use raw in salad. Kaya limitan siyang ginagamit sa mga salads and steam cook and side dishes as an ingredients. Ang mga example ingredient niya is mga vegetable stir fry, meat stir fry, or added other dishes. At ang Chinese broccoli is a leaf vegetable with thick, flat, glossy blue-green leaves with thick stem and florets similar to broccoli. Can be easily be grown from seed. Kasubha, dried safflower, more commonly known safflower. It is used in goto beef tripe, congee, and seafood arroz a la Valenciana, Filipina paella. This is used in Philippine cuisine as coloring agent, mostly for rice dishes. Ang dried safflower ay kalimitan siyang ginagamit para sa coloring ng pagkain. Kalimitan siyang ginagamit sa rice dishes and sa goto beef tripe and the Filipino style paella, which means yung seafood arroz a la Valenciana. And another, the plant was initially cultivated for its seeds, which are used to flavor and color food as well as to make red and yellow dyes. Katuray or agati flower, corkwood tree flower, a bitter tasting flower. Petals mostly are a classic ingredient in Ilocano cooking. Eaten raw, the katuray flower is wild, bitter, and astringent. It is worse than a big hunk of raw ampalaya bitter gourd. Ang katuray naman ay meron siyang mapait na lasa. Para siya katulad din siya ng ampalaya na kapag kinain mo ay mapait. Yan, ito ay Ilocano cooking ingredient. Ang katuray flower is a wild, bitter, and astringent. It looks like a green bean. It is actually an individual flower from the hummingbird. It is native to the Philippines, in Indonesia, and Malaysia. Katuray is rich in protein, vitamin B and C. It is guard to help against coughs and colds. Kinsay or Chinese celery. The word kinsay is used to refer to two different plants, more frequently to the second one named below. A popular dish to use, kinsay leaves in is adobong tokwat baboy, tofu, and pork cook adobo style with tausi fermented black beans. Ang kinsay naman is popular dish siya na ginagamit yung kinchay leaves or yung dahon niya sa adobong tokwat baboy. The nutrients in the celery plant and its seeds may provide a range of health benefits. Celery is a Chinese medicine as an anti-inflammatory. Garlic chive or kunsai, its name is usually translated into English as garlic chives or Chinese chives. Sliced kunsai are cooked with tofu. By Chinese Filipino restaurant, chopped kunsai are used in dumplings. Ang garlic chives naman ay ginagamit din siya to use or to cook in dumplings and Chinese. Ang garlic chives ay tinatawag ding Chinese chives by Chinese Filipino restaurant. Kalimitan natin siyang makikita sa mga Filipino Chinese restaurants. Taste more like garlic than onion. They are not the same as chive, which has a flavor more similar to onion. Tol or winter melon, one of the vegetables mentioned in the Filipino folk song Bahay Kubo. Kondol is also a popular filling for the Chinese Filipino treat called hopia. Winter melon cubes are slow cooked in pork pot or lard to be used as filling in hopiang baboy or pork hopia. Ito ay nakikita natin sa kantang Bahay Kubo. Kondol is the popular filling for the Chinese Filipino called hopia. Winter melon is one of the most highly priced vegetables in certain parts of the world due to its nutritional value and impressive health benefits. Health benefits including chronic diseases, improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, protect the heart, boost vision, and increase the energy. The labong or bamboo shoot considered as one of the useful health foods because of their rich contents of proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, fibers, and minerals, and very low fat. They are used as vegetable, numerous as side dishes and broths. They are sold in various processed shapes and are available in fresh, dried, and canned versions. Ang labong naman ay considered as the health food benefits kasi mayaman siya sa mga nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, fibers, and minerals, and low fat. They are used as vegetable. Ito ay ginagamit na rin siya in Asian dishes and broth. And numerous in Asian dishes and broth, and kalimitan natin siyang niluluto as ginataan labong. Familiar naman tayo doon sa ginataang labong.